Well, it looks like we have some more snow on the way across western and central Wyoming. And we'll start by taking a look at some of our watches, warnings, and advisories. Again, the pink areas are the warnings. Again, Johnson County, Natrona County, as well as across eastern slopes, the Wind Rivers. Much of the area across northern and central Wyoming under a winter weather advisory, so we could see accumulating snow there, especially tonight into the tomorrow time frame. And as far as why it's going to, maybe now the roads won't be quite as bad, say in January. Again, high sun angle. The sun's very, very strong this time of year. It's about as strong as mid-August this time of year, so 3 times as strong as in January. So a lot of times this time of year, especially during the middle of the day as well as the afternoon, you got 3 or 4 inches on the grassy surfaces, but roads will just have a little slush on, may just be wet, even unless the snow's coming down really, really hard. Just little signs for you. But as far as how much snow we're going to get, again, highest amounts, bighorns are going to get hit very hard. Again, very likely over a foot across the east slopes, especially west of Buffalo. Across portions of the Wind River Range, especially not necessarily South Pass, but some of the higher elevations there. It could be interesting going to South Pass. You have to go that way. Highest amounts in the lower elevations, again, Johnson as well as Natrona counties. Hardest area, I'd say, probably from Buffalo, Casey, down to about Midwest. Not quite as much around Casper. And as far as the least impacted areas, again, portions of Sweetwater County, and up here across eastern portions of Bighorn County, a little downsloping there, so just a couple inches up around state level in Grable. As far as spelling out the impacts, again, today, see a mix of rain or snow across the lower elevations. Roads will be mainly wet today unless you get a heavier burst of snow. They could turn slushy for a while. But the passes, especially across the Bighorns, could be kind of interesting. Powder River Pass could get snow covered, especially up toward the top of the pass where it's 9,000–10,000 feet up in the air. And as far as tonight, that's when the worst conditions I think will be. As we lose the heating of the day, we'll start seeing the snow stick on the roads. Again, worst conditions, Johnson, Natrona counties. As we head toward tomorrow, worst conditions will be mainly for the morning rush hour, say till about 9 o'clock in the morning. After that, the sun should begin to do some work and start to clear the roads up. It will be mainly snow tomorrow, mainly because up in the higher in the atmosphere, say 10–15,000 feet. It's going to be very, very cold, so you will see snow fall through much of the day. But it should end as we head toward Friday evening. And one last thing, as far as any impacts, or resources I should say, weather information, again, weather.gov/RIW for that. You want road conditions and closures, again, YORoad.info if you're on the web. You want to call 511 in-state if you're coming from out of state, 188 YO Road. And our webcams around state, just go to this website, or better yet, a lot easier, just go to this web address right here, go under local programs, and then go under webcams by route. You should find everything there. Be safe, everyone. Have a good day.